Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel. Today I have a huge Pennywise haul. I am literally the person that everything finishes on them at the same exact time, so I had to get so much stuff and I thought I would share with you guys today, maybe give you some product recommendations and also show you what new products that I will be trying. So let's get straight into this haul. The first product that I got was this leave-in conditioner from Cream of Nature. I use this every single wash day as a leave-in conditioner and I love it. And I also use it on days that my hair feels really dry and I need that extra refreshing stuff, sensation, moisturization. This is definitely my go-to for that. These next two products are conditioning packs from ORS. This is the first one, and then the second one. This is like really popular as protein pack. I use these on the weeks that my hair needs a little bit more protein, which is usually every other week or so, just so that I keep that moisture protein balance. And these are really handy because usually I use like half a pack and I mix it with another conditioner. And it works out really well for me because it's more cost efficient that way. The next product I have is actually a new product and it is this deep conditioner from Auntie Jackie's. It is the Soothe Operator Macadamia and Mint Dry Scalp Mask. Aunt Jackie's, sorry. This is a new product. I've never seen this before and I was looking for something more moisturizing as a deep conditioner and I thought I'd give it a try. There are like 3 or 4 others I think I saw, but this one definitely caught my eye. It has coconut oil, macadamia nut oil, argan oil, aloe vera leaf juice, I believe. So this looks like a really good product and I would definitely be following up with a review on this. This next product is definitely a favorite of mine. This is the Cream of Nature Essential 7 Treatment Oil. I use this literally every single day in my hair. It makes my hair so shiny and I love this. This is highly recommended by me. I absolutely love this stuff. This next product is also a new product. It is the Shade Naturals Hair Milk Moisturizer. I saw this so much on social media, Facebook, Instagram, like they are always promoting their products and I thought I would give it a try. Usually for my relaxed hair, I need something not as thick as a butter, but I don't really like runny products and this, it looks pretty nice and thick. It's not runny at all, so I think this might do the trick. I can't wait to try this and I will definitely be doing a review on this, so please stay tuned for that. It's a local product. It's made in Trinidad and I love supporting local brands, so I'm definitely really excited to try this. These next two products are the new shampoo and conditioner that I'll be trying out. I'm trying to experiment with different brands for my relaxed hair and I've seen a lot of girls on TikTok use this and I thought that I would give it a try. This is a nourishing shampoo with Manoi coconut oil. And this is the Keratin Protein Soothing Conditioner. And I will just see how it goes. You know, this is not usually promoted as a natural hair or like even like black hair brand, but it was reasonably priced and I was just interested in trying it. They have a few other products. Actually, the ingredients are not that bad at all. Most of the ingredients are really good. It's paraben free, sulfate free. It's really difficult for me to say. It's paraben free and sulfate free. The conditioner does contain dimethicone, so if you are silicone free, this may not be for you, but it's lower down in the list, so it's not like really high up, which is, I'm okay with using it like that. So I'm excited to try these out. And I've never used these before, so maybe I'll do a first impressions. I'm not too sure as yet. Okay, my next two products are hair oils that I use for my hot oil treatments. If you watch my video on my hot oil treatments, I do this weekly and it's been so beneficial for my hair. The first one is coconut oil. This was the most reasonably priced coconut oil in Pennywise. It's cold compressed and organic, and it retailed for I think about $40 for 150 milliliters. And I thought it was really good, and I thought I'd give it a try because the others were a little bit more on the pricey side, and I did not want to spend that much money on a brand that I wasn't sure about. So I believe this is locally made as well. So I thought I would just give it a try, and it was reasonably priced. And of course, you know, I had to pick up the good old faithful castor oil. You can never go wrong with castor oil. Like, there's absolutely no possible way to go wrong with castor oil. All right, so my next few items are just personal items that I really needed to stock up on. They were running low, and I needed to get fresh new ones, and the first ones are these Dove deodorants. I love to match my stuff, so this is the solid stick, and then this is the spray deodorant. This scent, by far the best scent from Dove, like by far. And if you use Dove deodorant, give this video a thumbs up, because this is like literally the only deodorant that works for me, and I don't know why, but I'm sticking to it. I am definitely a Dove girl. The second one is this Lint Roller. A fun fact about me, I attract lint everywhere I go. I also have 2 cats, so their fur is literally on everything. So I always need to have these handy, and I needed to pick up a new one, so I got one. I also got these little air fresheners for my van. I've tried a Febreze brand, and I thought that it was finishing really, really quickly. So this is a, I guess, cheaper brand. It's the Refresh brand, and I think that I'll give these a try. Hopefully it works the same way. I also got a new body lotion cream. This is Jergens. Old Faithful. Like, I don't use any cream on my skin, lotion, anything. This stuff, the Ultra Healing, could never go wrong. Like, could never go wrong. I also needed some more razors, so I just picked up a pack of the twin blade razors. I got this Eucalyptus Epsom salt because I'm planning to do like a little pedicure spa day, so I thought that I would try this out. I love eucalyptus. The scent is just so soothing and relaxing, so this should be really, really good. And last, I got this Glade candle. I also got one of the plug-in wall adapter things with the oil, but I already opened that up and plugged it in, so it's been going, so I can't really like show that as an, you know, a whole thing. But this candle smells really good. This is the Blue Odyssey Invigorate from Glade. Good stuff. Yeah guys, so that was about it for the haul. Those were all my items. Please keep in mind that I don't buy these things on a monthly basis. This is like probably every 2 to 3 months that I will go and buy this amount of product from Pennywise, because obviously that's a lot of money, and you know, we gotta be financially smart out here. So definitely I don't go and like ball out in Pennywise every month, but I needed some stuff, so I just decided to, you know, pick up what I needed right away. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you love Pennywise hauls, please give this a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will be having some reviews on some of these products coming, so please stay tuned. Make sure that you check out one of my last videos. I'll have them in the cards or at the end of this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!